Hey guys, hi, this is Prashanth Swaminathan. I'm the founder and CEO of XDAT, a new age fiat-to-crypto exchange. XDAT stands for Exchange of Digital Assets with Trust. As for my background, I am an ex-investment banker. I was working with Morgan Stanley in London for over 10 years. So across trading, advisory and multiple roles in M&A, etc. So I have been working in a fairly regulated and trusted space for quite a long time. Investment banking is great. I really loved my experience. I was actually working with quite a few smart minds over there. Very satisfying, but it also was fairly hierarchical and the space is very evolved. That's when I came across blockchain and cryptocurrencies, and I was frankly quite fascinated by what people were trying to do in this space, and I became a very good believer in the longevity of this space as well. And because it's in its infancy and it's quite a nascent product, I wanted to move into this space and build a career out of it, because I think there is much more long-term progression that is possible in this space, and to be entering it at this point could lead to someone pioneering the next 10 to 20 years. With that in mind, my goal in this space is to build a very trusted network of cryptocurrency exchanges. With that vision in mind, I have launched XDAT. So before I go into XDAT, I would like to just quickly tell you that having come across many exchanges, having worked in the space for a long time, or rather having followed it for a long time, I can point out that there are quite a few critical features that are lacking, which are potentially preventing it from being adopted much more widely. Number one is a lack of fiat integration across these exchanges, which prevents growth of capital. Number two is a lack of trust, which prevents many of the mainstream retail investors and institutional investors from entering this space. And number three, kind of correlated, is lack of mass adoption product, especially across exchanges, which prevents it from going wider than the people who are currently online savvy and tech savvy. So we are trying to address all of these shortcomings in existing exchanges, and that's where the genesis of XDAT comes to be. So just for the uninitiated, XDAT stands for Exchange of Digital Assets with Trust, and it has been incorporated in Malta, and we are taking a very strict, regulated and compliant way of launching and operating this exchange, and therefore we have a very full-fledged and robust KYC AML process, and we are also applying for this exchange to get licensed with the local regulator. So at XDAT, we are trying to stay true to what conventional traders and experienced people would like to see in a trading exchange, and are adding additional features which, from my experience in investment banking across equities and fixed income, we expect traders, or rather traders expect from an exchange. So we're building those features as well. And separately, we are also enabling this exchange to allow new users to start accessing the exchange in a very beginner kind of fashion, so they don't get lost in a lot of graphs and numbers either. In terms of what we are launching on XDAT, rather than going berserk and launching 200 to 300 coins for the sake of it, we are staying true to the top 10 liquid and high market cap currencies only at this point. And we are also integrating fiats and stable coins. The first fiat we have on the exchange is the euro, and in future we anticipate adding more number of fiat integrations as well. In future, in terms of other new coins that we will be adding, it will be other liquid and high market cap coins, and strategic coins that we will add, which we believe bring in a disruption in their areas of focus, and where we believe in its utility in long term. In terms of the team, we have a mix of veterans from traditional and conventional spaces such as investment banking, FMCG, services and technology, and we have mixed them with pioneers from the crypto and blockchain space to bring in the necessary knowledge base of this asset class as well. So the team is a mix of conventional wisdom and of new age crypto landscape. If that was quite boring, then I would like to keep this short. We at XDAT would like to grow along with our users and people such as yourself. So please come along and help us in achieving the following 3 critical takeaway points. Number 1 is to become globally the #1 exchange by volume by 2020, and we would like to achieve this in both an organic and inorganic fashion, but in a regulated manner and by generating a globally trusted brand. And number 2 is by cracking the CMC or CoinMarketCap top 100 by within the next 3 to 6 months. And we believe we can do this with the products that we have outstanding to launch on the platform. And number 3, we want to have XDAT as a crypto for all exchange. And what I mean by that is we are working on a couple of products which, when released, will revolutionize the way users can access cryptocurrencies, buy and sell them rather. And we believe these products will allow people outside the current buyers and sellers of these assets to enter this space and feel comfortable in transacting with them and holding on to them as well. So these are the 3 objectives, and we would really love to work with our users and customers and get your feedback and make this into a shining bastion within this space. So please come and join us on www.xdat.io, and we have really good offers and referral benefits, etc. for the next 3 months, which you can avail. So guys, this is Prashanth Swaminathan, founder and CEO of XDAT, signing off at this point. And if you don't hear from me again before end of the year, then a very good season's greetings from my side, and also a happy new year, and I will see you in 2019.